Welcome guys, Cream Ball back again with another reaction video. Today check out 4:10 a.m. I ain't a Yardie. We all know what Yardie mean, Jamaican, you see me? I'm straight Jamaican, yard boy. So we gotta check out this and see what's going on, man, you see me? Oh, the Magnum? Man say Maggie. Me na Magnum, you drink them there when you go on the works with the girl, you see me? Yo, red label. Magnum tonic wine for the girl them. Strengthen up the back, you see me? Jerk chicken.
On the concrete spazzing and twitching, no response to your boy just glitching.
Damn, fine ass girls, bro.
Tell a man don't cheat on his barber, I didn't even know how he got that shaving.
Man, yo, black girls are the best, you see me? I love my black girls, bro.
I got 2 Magnum in the party. I ain't a Yardie, one phone call, a text, forget. We like the bomb clot, you know.
Oh, blood clot. The man said we like the bomb clot, you know.
I got 2 Magnum in the party. I ain't a Yardie, one phone call, a text, forget Barky. Bullet, doggy, just think Boogie K with a Barbie. And it's love when I see my chargy, I was in VIP with a don't. When you're doing up raving, I ain't complaining, see him and stain him. And I love when I do man's facing, big man don't get blood in my trainers. Tell a man don't cheat on his barber, I didn't even know how he got that shit. She's trying to get that pagan, make big man shrivel up like raisin. No Freddie or Jason, she was trying to link me, sorry I'm taken. She a bad one, better you shaking, if you see her then you're looking at.
Damn, bruh. Chicks are fine, bro. Yo, listen. Listen. I love to admire the female. I have to give them props. You see me? Don't know. See the girl. I have to go back here.
Make big man shrivel up like raisin. No Freddie or Jason, she was trying to link me, sorry I'm taken. She a bad one, better you shaking, if you see her then you're looking at Satan. I ain't lurked in a while, I'm craving times like this when I move like Salem. Head top, see a man get faded. Them teeth never came with braces. I got 2 Magnum.
Yo, I like how the man wear them mask still. You see me? Don't know COVID season. I don't know when the video come out, but COVID time, like the man wear them mask. You see me?
I ain't a Yardie, one phone call, a text, forget Barky. Bullet, doggy, just think Boogie K with a Barbie. And it's love when I see my chargy, I was in VIP with a who's the man that's doing up verbal? Who's the man that come to the ends and left with his head back looking all purple? Big shells in the thing like turtle.
Shit.
Got Bush like Jackson doing up caps.
I said, who's the man who come to the ends and left with the head back purple?
Don't take what I'm who you are, send a man cray like Jupiter. Nothing things one chat to me, I back the big thing and it suited her. This one chocolate factory, I ain't never got brain stupider. Sorry to the birthday girl, vibes cartel sent from my army.
Oh, they forget, yo. Give the respect to the teacher, you know. I did the teacher.
I ain't never got brain stupider. Sorry to the birthday girl, vibes cartel sent from my army. Excellent Barbie, anything for my shawty. This bud just smelling like quavers, man I got flavors, looking at Barney. Why them can't
yo, the man them full of Magnum in that, bro.
I got 2 Magnum in the party.
Man them full of Magnum, bro.
Forget Barky. Bullet, doggy, just think Boogie K with a Barbie. And it's love when I see my chargy, I was in VIP with a who's the man that's doing up verbal? Who's the man that come to the ends and left with his head back looking all purple? Big shells in the thing like turtle.
Alright guys, that's the end of the reaction video. Man, them on a Yardie, bro. But all of them on a Yardie, him still support the thing and endorse the thing still. You see me? Don't know the thing set. 4:10 a.m. Mad tune. So, peace out.